I can't believe it. We are in season 4, episode 11, the 411 on Golf Cart Confessions today. And I have a special guest, so let's jump right into it. What's up, Taylor?
Hello.
How are you this morning?
Really warm.
Really warm. You've got your cool sunglasses on this morning. You know about confessing, don't you?
I do.
You do. So, Taylor, what would you like to confess to today on Golf Cart Confessions?
So let me preface this by saying everyone that knows me, they joke that I am scared of being scared.
Scared of, did you say scared of being scared?
More or less, because I'm scared of everything.
Okay.
So.
You're not scared of me, are you?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
But you just told me the story about you hitting a car and yeah.
On the golf cart, right?
Yes.
So maybe.
That's why I'm in the driver's seat.
That's
now.
why you're in the driver's seat and
Yes.
I'm not in the driver's seat.
Yes. So my confession is, and I'm only told like maybe 3 people this.
Only 3 people?
At most.
And now we're going live on Facebook with your confession, right?
Yes.
And only 3 people know this.
Yes.
Okay, guys, you should feel special.
So, when I was younger, maybe really little, I was scared of going to heaven because I thought I'd have to go through space to get there, and space freaks me out.
Okay. All right. She's scared of going to heaven because you didn't want to go through space
to get there.
And space freaks you out. Tell me more about space freaking you out.
It just is so weird to me, the concept of outer space. There's other planets. You could just float away. You never know.
I got it.
It just is freaky. I've been watching a documentary recently too. On the guy that went to the stratosphere and jumped with the balloon.
Really?
Yeah, no, you couldn't pay me to do that.
Couldn't pay you to do that?
No.
Not any amount of money?
No.
Are you sure?
Positive.
1 million?
Not even skydiving, no.
Not even skydiving?
Nope.
1 million, 2 million, 3 million, $10 million.
No, I would not live to like spend it.
Oh, okay.
I would
All
die
right.
of a heart attack.
Okay, I get it. We don't want you to die of a heart attack.
No, like I'm the person that you want to take to a haunted house if you want to laugh. Because 1, I've never been to one, and 2, I'm pretty sure I would just like pass out on the floor as soon as I went in the door.
Great confession. Now let me ask you a question. You work at NCM.
Yes.
What is NCM?
It's the National Corvette Museum Motorsports Park.
Okay, good deal. Tell us a little bit more about that and what you do there.
So I am mainly over group sales, so any like team building, get out from the office, want to go to the racetrack for a meeting, or get you behind the wheel of a Corvette, or bachelor parties, birthday parties, you name it. I just like to have fun.
Oh, wow. That sounds like a pretty cool job.
Yeah, I was scared of it at first.
But that didn't have anything to do with space, did it?
No, but like once I do something that I'm scared of, I usually am okay with it.
So maybe you should go ahead and jump out of that plane.
We'll wait.
Oh, well, I mean, if you do it, it'd be okay, right?
Maybe.
Maybe. So, you guys have a Facebook page?
Yes, so it's NCM Motorsports Park.
Okay. On Twitter, too?
We're mostly on Facebook and Instagram.
Okay,
so.
Facebook, Instagram.
Instagram is NCM MSP.
Awesome. Be sure to go like their page. And do you have any events coming up? Now, this one's going to air March 12th. So, do you have any events coming up after March 12th?
We have events every weekend through December.
Okay.
So, coming up this month will be one of the biggest races of the year. It's
biggest races?
Yeah, NASA Great Lakes.
Okay.
It's called the Bourbon Barrel Chase.
Ooh.
So there will be a lot of cars out on track, and they'll be competing and whatnot. And also go-karts have recently opened.
Go-karts?
Yeah, so we're rocking and rolling.
Oh, man, that's cool.
Yeah.
Go-karts are fun.
They're a lot of fun. And also, we do have an activity that involves golf carts.
No, you don't.
Where we blindfold the driver.
You blindfold the driver?
And the passenger has to tell them how to get through a coned course.
On a golf cart?
I think you should come try that.
On a golf cart?
Yes. We should get a confession with you blindfolded driving through it.
That would be fun.
Yeah.
You could host it, and you could be telling me how to drive through the cones.
Yes.
Wow, let's do that.
I know. Let's
do it. I think that'll be fun.
That would be awesome.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for joining me this morning.
Thanks for having me.
Awesome. So, that was season 4, episode 11, the 411, right?
The 411.
Who will we interview next? It could be.